back ride. I've managed to get behind my antagonist, got my hooks in, and I have several choices with the arms. We'll take first of all a seatbelt position. As the man's coming in, what we want to do is to gain control 2-on-1, solid grip, pulling him in tight. Come back, stretching him out with the legs. If he tries to drive into you, use your legs to re-establish. Now here, take your hand, hold the fleshy part. Pull this against his thumb, gaining release, and use pen compliance. Release your hook, turn, bring, and hold tight.